All right, everybody, it's week 2, and we got a little bit of framing to do this morning. And we're gonna put a niche in the pony wall, put some blocking in for the grab bars. And we got our tile guys scheduled for tomorrow. He's gonna be putting all the backer board up, doing the mud set, and also we're gonna be doing the liner today as well. And then we'll have the drywall guys here on Wednesday and Thursday. Cabinets going on Friday, and hopefully we get a granite measure as well. So stay tuned.